tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe. Then we'll get this. This is going to be next for the chess boy. He studied and he got it, boy. You think he could see was just studying all night in his brain. That's good. I told him, you guys can play that at home, man, because it's a fun game. It's time for me to show him how to play now. I've been wanting you the basics, then I'm going to show him.
Nice,
He set it up looking all good. Smile, poo-poo.